Like, why somebody put one stone on somebody head? An entrance is right here, leading over. Yeah, guys, so this is one side of the church right here. This is one side of the church building.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, peeps, blessings again and welcome to Elite Jamaica. Now we're on our way to one place in a Balaclava. I'm not telling you where we are going. But on our way going there, I see the stone wall on both sides of the road, and I know I'm there in a slavery environment. Alright, most of y'all don't like when I use the word slavery, but that's the environment that we're in. But us driving, I drive and I gaze, peeps, I'm spot one cave, and I show you that, and follow me.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like a sky.
Yeah, them dumping of them things. I don't like when people dump them places. Look what them do. Dump the waste in there. So, guys, it look as if it could have been a cave, but it was filled up. Oh, that be the next one that down there, sir? Yeah.
Okay, be the thing
That one down there, sir? Yeah. You see that one down there, sir?
and then pay contact and look for bill contact.
Yeah, man. You have to expose them things. Yeah, guys, so we are in the parish of Manchester. Yeah, man. Guys, as you all notice, we see say it looks like water run go down in this side. Water run go down in this side somewhere where it come out. This could be a sinkhole. You know them different kind of, what them call it again? What them call them hole where the sink away them?
Like soak away.
Soak away. It's like a spring. It have many different entrances, but it was dry sometimes because water was once inside there. You can see the water level and things. So guys, and if you notice here, this was actually done by hand. If you notice how these stones were packed. There's a reason why they packed them here, I don't know why. I'm not familiar with this parish. However, I'm noticing that there is the stone walls on both sides of the road. So I'll check out that, I'll show you guys that, and then we're on to the location which we're heading to. It's gonna be spooky, guys. Follow me. Intro. Yeah guys, as we were leaving, guys, we noticed that there's a wall up there. We don't know exactly what it is. It's not, I'll try to zoom it piece, but not zoom. But then the wall comes right down and comes out to the road. You know, there's a lot of these walls here. I'm not sure why, but it seemed like here was, I don't know. But water used to run through here, and there's a protective barrier wall up there. So, you want to go up there? Come in. You want to go up there? So it's up there, guys. I don't know how we have to reach up there still. There's the stone wall, guys. If you look, we can't go up there, so. There's stone walls here, guys. Stone walls right alongside the side of the road. Yeah. So I think there should be, but guys, as you know, I'm just in this parish, so as soon as I get home, I check them up and see what's around here, and I can let you all know, you know. But the stone wall is everywhere. There it is across the road again, and it's all the way from up there coming down. There's one corner of the stone wall right there. Here's the entrance to the place, and there's a stone wall. I'm not sure what's up on that hill, and I really want to trespass, but it goes all the way up. Alright, so we're on the way, peeps. And follow me. Yeah, peeps, so we're at location at the St. George's Anglican Church, one of the first Anglican churches built in Jamaica. We're in a Mile Gully, Manchester. And this is a church that was built by runaway slaves in the late 1700s called James Knight. He was of the Lyndhurst estate. Alright, so I'll give you more information on that in the video. But first, peeps, everybody come at that church, you say it auntie, them say them hear church, I keep them say them hear voices. We're going to debunk that. And if it's real, I'm going to say it's real. So we're going to the church. Alright, follow me. Yeah guys, so this church right here guys, the James Knight, that's the slave who built the church. Because he started preaching to people about Christianity, he was ordered beheaded by his slave master. Them behead him and they placed his head on a coal to warn every other servant, every other slave not to do the same thing that he had done. I'll go to more information about that in the video. But guys, we want to go into the church. That's how we'll come to. But I want to show you one grave still too. Because I've been here in 2011, that was before I started vlogging. And remember I saw one grave where, like where I see right down on the grave, everything. Not sure if I can show that on camera. But I don't know, I like the older things them, you know. So if you want to find the older things then go to the side. Over another bit. This is a 1926 guys. This clearly means these old. And this is like all older graves from way back in the day. But guys, let me check out that one here. There's a boulder. See, there's a boulder atop this grave as an headstone. And I remember when they used to afraid to touch them something, peeps, in my first set of vlogs, I wouldn't touch this because this is from way back, you know. Ow. Like, why somebody put one stone on somebody's head? You understand? It's a superstition. I think superstition was rampant back then, and that is the reason why that happened. And I'm not, peeps, I'm not a superstitious person, but trust me, my head feels full. Being over here, just feel one different kind of way. Be careful, my drop not in walk on the edge, yeah. Right. 1858. John Clark, Esquire of Kendall, in this parish. March 27, 1858. This is another one. So guys, we are in the parish of we're in the parish of Manchester. Okay. Alright, yeah man. We're in the parish of Manchester and we are in, we call it so, Mile Gully. Mile Gully. Alright. So. Right. Wow. So this is the original wall. Alright. And you know what this thing I look for? Guys, this seems to have been the original wall. And it seems an entrance was right here. Come over here, so show them. It seems an entrance was right here, leading over there. I don't know what it over there, so. But this is the original church wall, and a gate was right here. Alright, so I don't see nothing over there will really look like something over there. So we came to film this. So that's it. Yeah. So guys, so far we haven't heard any church keeping. We don't see no cow because they said that sometimes you come here you will see what them call the humpback cows, very white humpback cows in this vicinity. We don't see none of that yet. It's just a heavy feeling which I think that normal. It's because of the human senses we know, so we're not graveyard. Otherwise from that we don't see nothing haunting about this place. It kinda looks spooky, but otherwise from that, but wow, we see at the church. I took a picture in this church in 2011 I'm going to upload the picture and I'm going to see it on my screen and I don't laugh. But anyway, I'm going to do it. Alright, it looks like some of them graves are just like new and stuff and
Yeah.
I want all in order to be a fan.
Alright.
So,
So look further on. Wall.
wall up or something.
Alright.
To the back of the church.
Alright.
Alright, so guys, we go back to the front. I look on the whole set of graves them over there, so like the Freemasonic graves them and them thing there. You get me go see them on there. We haven't seen any famous names of it. A grave there, hold on. Alright guys, this grave right here. I think, I'm not sure, but I feel like the grave here right here was either like some police officer or something. Just a shape of the emblem that is on the grave, but
Yeah.
all of these are in line, you know?
Sure.
Nathaniel Dixon. And then you have this one.
Short.
You know, I'm not sure, but either they're family members or, you know, I'm not sure why this grave is like this. Douglas Burke Dwyer. This seems like the person was buried standing up. I'm not sure why it is like this because I think I don't baby, but this person was born in 1923 and died in 1989. Obviously not a child.
Look at that one.
This one seems to be a child. I'm not sure why these are built like this. But
That one too?
better one like this too.
Okay.
Nothing missing, huh?
Yeah.
Hold on.
See.
The grave are open. You feel if you bring one this?
I feel so.
Guys, when I feel if you bring one across here, let me know, because the car is right up there. Show them the car is out there. So, when I feel if you bring one, let me know in the comment section. Yes for yes and no for no. Tell me. Open grave. The grave here. These are the grave, because when I just come out of the church, these are the grave where it is so open. You know? Come across over the side.
Alright. The guys are elder though.
There is another entrance right there for the church. Those graves seems to be new. This is some Freemason grave around there, so
Yeah.
you have a look on them, the guys. Then I look on this place. Carolyn Guy and Charles N. Guy.
Alright.
Yeah guys, so I'm gonna be looking at those Masonic graves over there. I want to see what they're all about. Definitely Mason. Guys, definitely Masonic grave. This one of the names around it. This is from 1887. This one is from 1887. Seems like it had something attached to the top. This one right here now, guys, this is a Masonic grave. John Sawyer, Pepper St. Elizabeth, 1888, 869 years old. Light is something another. Light is given for the righteous and gladness for the upright in his heart. This is Masonic, guys. As you all see, the emblem, the symbol on it. And As me telling them, I'm not superstitious, but that place they have one different kind of feeling. I really want to go
What
to that
the
place.
heck?
This Masonic also.
Hey.
1889. This is Masonic. I could be Catholic. This
Alright.
Masonic.
Yes, bro. That one definitely.
1848. Guys, this one is Masonic also. I don't like the feeling when I get over here. Maybe me hungry or something, I don't know. And yeah guys, so wanna follow me? Yeah peeps. Finally we are shown inside of the church. Wanna follow me? Yeah guys, so this is one side of the church right here. This is one side of the church building. So we're going at the front entrance and see if we can find a route. All of these are cut stone, you know. You realize? They cut stone.
Yeah, man.
There's an archway.
Yeah.
Somebody try. Come here.
And wow.
Somebody tried help. Not sure why. So guys, the last time that I've been here, it wasn't like this. We could actually go further up in the front of the church. But now it's like falling down. Obviously now I can go up this way. You know?
Show that.
And
Big was ants nest that.
Duckans
The ants nest.
up here.
Yeah, man.
Guys, and once again I will say this, I don't think there is only this church. I've seen another one. I've seen pictures of another one which is in Manchester. And I think more find that one there. Also, guys, when we leave here, we are stop at the Kendall Crash location. But this is the church, guys. This is the haunted church where them say haunted, those see the cow, them and them thing there. But I don't see nothing at mall now, I don't really see nothing. You know?
Kind of emlet that over there, sir.
Huh?
Emlet on the wall.
Yeah, well, I'm going to on the wall.
Yes, man.
Maybe at the church.
So one next one is again and one next one.
I'm supposed to go over there, so
Mm.
yeah guys, so we are head back out, we are film some more graves and we are head on to the Kendall Crash location. I think it'll be more exciting, but if you all like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you can help me, let me know, man. Let me know why somebody thought help on this, if I try be a two or make a coward or if I want spirit type it for true. You know?
Word.
A spirit coming from L. From L.
Forget
was
L.
charcoal. From L to the right hand wall.
L.
So who in them read mine would have left from wherever come out with charcoal.
Alright, L on that.
I don't really understand.
That's so superstitious.
It's superstitious, really superstitious.
Watch you now. Watch your next Z there.
Yeah, so. Okay guys, so we're out of here. Follow me.
That guy is step high.
Thank you so much guys for supporting the videos, watching the videos. You know, sometimes like we're not filmed for a while, but we're back on camera now and we're not stop. I don't know when we come back, we'll come back. You know, so we're out of this location and we're heading to the Kendall Crash location. Alright peeps? Yeah man. Peeps, I'm afraid I don't them. I'm not coming to church no time at all.
Cool
Shout
up.
out to Dwayne. Yeah man, type Dwayne in the comment section.
Yeah, what?
Yeah peeps, you see this? It's an original stone construction like we'll find at its different places. This church however was built in the late 1779 to be precise.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're head on to the next location. If you like it, let me know and follow me. Yeah peeps, so as I'm telling you, the wall them on the side of the road, like these walls led right down here. If you notice them done down there. So because these walls led to the church, this church was, like we would have said, it was of importance. It was of importance back in the days, so it was the main place where people go. So then the walls along the road, this road was well maintained back in the days. You see me? Yeah man, so that's a piece of the wall on the roadside. I'll show you our next piece of here. Yeah guys, as I told you all that we will be heading to the Kendall crash location. That's where the train crashed and so many persons had died. Condolences to the families of those persons. This is the train line heading to the Kendall location. Alright, so yeah, that's the next place we're going. It's not in use now at the moment, but as you see, yeah, this is the train line. So we're heading to the Kendall crash location. It seems that, bro, I think is a train stop the dead side now. So guys, right where we saw those steps over there in the bush, I think it was a train stop that was here where the train stopped. You know, over there. I think it was a train stop that was here. Yeah guys, road is a bit busy.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us up.
Thank you all for watching. In doing this vlog, a time had caught up with us, so we did not get to complete the Kendall crash site video. However, check that out in our next update. Thank you all for watching. It's a pleasure.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.